Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off notification on TikTok. We are enter to TikTok application and first of all make sure TikTok application on date, and we are entering TikTok application. Me right button and stop to 3 points right and scroll down, push notification, select push notifications. One by one notification turn off: likes, comments, new followers, mentions, direct message. You can close whatever you want here, or another way, go to iPhone settings, select down, notifications select, and find to TikTok apps and allow notifications checkbox off. It's that simple. See you next video.